Hey guys, Jamie and Sarah here. This morning I woke up to Jamie telling me that today we were going to build a couch out of 2x4s.
Yeah, one of my favorite channels, Modern Builds, just put out an awesome tutorial video. We thought we'd give it a try for ourselves.
Jamie and I really love home design, but often home design is just pretty expensive. We love to find ways to make our home look beautiful without actually spending a ton of money. So when Jamie first showed me this couch, I got really excited because I felt like it was a really cool, trendy piece, bought for about 1/5 of the price.
And I loved it because it looked really simple to build. All it is 2x4s, and then the only thing you need is a chop saw and a drill. So we're gonna give it a try.
Let's get to work. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is actually make the sides of our couch. So we need to make 14 pieces that are 25 inches long. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure that, mark those out, and then get those cut right now.
Next, we cut our angled pieces for the ends. All right, so next I'm just gonna quickly sand each piece to make it nice and smooth before we glue it up. Originally I was thinking that having a lot of glue would be the best choice, and just as long as I cleaned off the tops, it'd be fine. I'm not really following the just a dot, not a lot rules right now. I'm gooping it on here. I just gotta line it up here with the clamps and then squeeze it on.
What you doing there?
Just making sure we got enough glue in there, that's all. I was gluing on plastic bags, and so I didn't really consider that the glue was dripping through underneath and then drying.
All of the rounded edges on the 2x4s and the inside corners on a glue up like this make cleaning up squeeze out really difficult.
So I should have been a little more careful with my glue, but fortunately my mistake was fixable and I was able to sand all the glue off. Next, we cut our long pieces for the couch and then measured for our brackets that would hold those long pieces.
Then I'll take my straight edge and I will connect the dot from this corner to the one that we just made. 5-degree angle off of this point.
Modern Builds did a pretty great job of explaining it, so it was a pretty easy process. So after my glue mishap, I made sure to follow the directions to a T and made sure I pre-drilled all my holes so that I didn't crack any of my wood. So next I cut the couch legs out with my hole saw. Unfortunately I had one of these already, but it was a really easy process and they look great.
So now that we have our sides built, we're going to take our other pieces and screw it all together. You like it?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Say good job, Daddy.
Go down, Dad.
Alright, so it's starting to rain, so we're gonna bring this thing inside and finish screwing it in there. Fortunately, the rain held off so I could get a quick coat of water-based polyurethane on there. Woohoo! Cushions came! Can't wait to open them and see what they look like. Alright, we're gonna open these up. These are from simplecushions.com. It's a company owned by Modern Builds. They make these really cool cushions, so we're excited to see how they look. This is vegan leather, copper tan color, so let's see how it looks. Hey, sweet. Awesome. Looks really cool.
Is that?
Yeah, it feels really nice too. It's really soft. Nice. It's a brand new company. We didn't know what to expect, but it came really fast and quality looks awesome so far. Let's go get the couch and put these on. This thing is sweet. I like how reclined it is. It's chill.
Oh yeah. It's like low to the ground too. It's like,
yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah, this is an awesome couch. I love the low profile to it, and these cushions are really comfy.
They're so comfy. I can't believe the quality of them. They're like super soft. They almost feel like velvet.
When we were redoing our old Shasta, I think we paid like $30 a yard for fabric, plus the foam was really expensive, and we just stapled them on underneath and it didn't look very good.
Yeah.
So to have a nice finished look like this for that cheap, for $250 is totally worth it, and saved us a bunch of time too.
I might try to find a way to use these, buy more of these and actually use them in our Airstream, because I've been trying to look for cushions and they're really expensive, especially if I want to have them done this quality. I have to pay a seamstress, and so if the dimensions fit in our Airstream, I'm going to be buying some more and using these. And we're not sponsored by him. We just like actually think he's really cool and like doing cool stuff, and his stuff is quality for sure. What I really loved about this couch is that the entire thing is literally made out of 2x4s. So even like the cute little circle legs on it, the whole thing. So really anybody could do this project.
It's cool to be able to say you built your own couch, so.
That's true, yeah. There's something like really cool about doing it yourself with your own hands.
So if you're looking for a fun DIY project this summer to do, I would suggest this one. It was really pretty basic, and we had some fun with it. On this channel, we like to flip furniture a lot of times. I don't think we're going to flip this piece, just because we have 400 into it. We probably wouldn't be able to sell it for 800. So we're probably going to keep it. We might even put it out by our pool this summer under a little covered area. I think it'd be pretty fun. So
it would be cool.
Good job.
Thank you. I like working with power tools. It's like I'm a woman, you know. I got this.
Should I show some outtakes?
Whatever. So let us know in the comments below what you guys think of our project. We're working really hard on our Airstream right now, so that's coming up next. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you like that kind of thing. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.